Hello. Edutainment Studios and Access Healthcare welcome you to Head and Neck Cancer Treatment Guide. This module is part 1 of a 6-part series on head and neck cancer. Head and neck cancer is an umbrella term that refers to cancer that begins in the head or neck region of the body. The types of head and neck cancer are named after the area in which they originate, such as oral cancer, which forms in the oral cavity, and throat cancer, which develops in the throat. Because most head and neck cancers form in the surface layer of the tissue, where the cells are flat and squamous, most head and neck cancers are squamous cell carcinomas. Head and neck cancers account for about 3% of all cancers in the United States. The majority of head and neck cancer patients are over the age of 50. Men are 2 to 3 times more likely to develop the disease than women. In this course, the objective is to help you know the different types of head and neck cancer. There are different kinds of cancer that might be located in your head and neck, but head and neck cancer is a term used for a handful of specific types that are found in or around your throat, larynx, nose, sinuses, and mouth. Head and neck cancers are usually squamous cell carcinomas. These cells line the inner surfaces of your head and neck. The different types of head and neck cancers are named by where they begin. The oral cavity includes your lips, tongue, gums, the inside of your cheeks and lips, and the bottom and top of your mouth. Cancer in this part of your body is called lip and oral cavity cancer. The pharynx includes your throat, which is a tube that has 3 different parts: the nasopharynx, or the top part behind your nose, oropharynx, or the middle part that includes the back of your mouth, tongue, and tonsils, and hypopharynx, or the bottom part, which is sometimes called the gullet. Cancers in this part of your body are called nasopharyngeal cancer, oropharyngeal cancer, or hypopharyngeal cancer. The larynx is the part of your neck called the voice box. It is made up of your vocal cords and epiglottis, a small piece of tissue that covers the larynx to keep food out of your airways. Cancer in this part of your body is called laryngeal cancer. Your nasal cavity is the hollow inside of your nose. Your paranasal sinuses are hollow, air-filled spaces in the bones around your nose. Cancer in this part of your body is called paranasal sinus and nasal cavity cancer. Salivary glands make saliva and are located at the bottom of your mouth by your jawbone. Cancer in this part of your body is called salivary gland cancer. This is a rare form of head and neck cancer. Please feel free to investigate these sites and others for more information, and remember to bring any concerns or questions in to discuss with your doctor. Thank you for joining us today for part 1 of this 6-part series on head and neck cancer, and come back for part 2.